Hi everyone, I'm Oliver, your host for SSG TV. One thing all stylists have in common right now is finding a way to save time in the salon. Today, we'll explore some ideas to help, whether you're preparing to reopen or you've been open for a few weeks. We'll be right back.
We're all using hand sanitizer right now. Why not make it count? Moisturize and disinfect anywhere you go with the UCare Foundation hand sanitizer. A portion of all sales go back to the UCare Foundation to support the stylist community. You Smooth, because you care.
I looked, I don't know if we have enough color.
I know, I thought we had more foils than this.
And I think we're almost out of laundry detergent.
And I think I underestimated the amount of cleaning this would take.
You know what? I did not even remotely consider the cost of the masks.
You know what? I think I'm just going to call our salon consultant and see what she can do to help us at this time.
Good idea.
Our salon consultants are here to help. We checked in with Avery Stanley, a salon consultant in Dallas. She's been working with stylists on their reopening strategies. Here's a quick message from Avery.
Hey everyone, I hope all is well. I hope everyone is enjoying being back. It's a little bit different now, but that's okay. We're back and we'll work through it. So I wanted to give some advice on what I thought reopening would look like, or maybe if you're struggling on getting in more people with the limited accessibility that we have now. So I would recommend maybe using Aloxi's Andiamo. You can use this for your gray coverage. It's going to permanently cover in 10 to 15 minutes. So what this would look like would be maybe they come in and then you're going to prep the hair with the color Prime and you're going to spray it in. And what it's going to do, it's going to equalize porosity, it's going to help cleanse the hair, and it's also going to help protect the scalp. So then you would apply your color, your shade of choice of Andiamo, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes max, that's it. Then you're going to go to the bowl. You're going to rinse it out, and then you're going to take the color lock and you're going to shampoo, work it in, but it's going to be a cleanse and condition in one. It's also going to help lock in that color, and it's going to make them feel like when they leave that they've had a deep conditioning treatment, plus their roots are going to be covered. So you can knock all this out in about an hour, and I would still charge the same. I would not be discounting much at all. I would have them leave wet in phase one, comb them out, and they've just had their color done and a deep conditioning treatment. So then you can move on to your next client. You could probably get in, maybe if you're doing one an hour, about 6 to 8 clients a day, depending on how you're booking. The next phase, I would look at maybe adding in a haircut to this same service for those clients that are coming back in maybe about 6 to 8 weeks out from phase one. So add in a haircut, just really a trim, maintenance, things like that. What we're trying to do is really lessen in the beginning their time in your chair, not only for you, but for them as well. And then we'll start to lengthen that as we go. So phase two, add in a small haircut, trim, nothing drastic because they're still going to leave wet. You're still going to do the same steps for gray coverage as you did in phase one. Then phase three would be about 6 to 8 weeks out from phase two. This is where we really start getting back into what normalcy was pre-COVID, right? So this is where you could do your balayage, you can do highlights, you can do that drastic cut. Maybe they're wanting to go, from here to here. But I think that that's going to be a really helpful way of starting to kind of ease people back into your chair and getting more people in a little bit quicker than you would. Another thing I wanted to mention just with prepping for your day, maybe get some little bins like this, and for each client that you have that day, go ahead and put your things that you need in there for them, the tools, the clips, things that you're going to use, your bowl, your color, brushes, things like that. Put some candies in there for them, maybe put a mask, a disposable mask in there for them, your gloves, some hand sanitizer, towels, things like that. What this is going to do is it's going to help when you're done with that client, just pop your tools in there that need disinfecting, pop some barbicide, close the lid and push it aside. Move on to your next prepared box for your next guest. It's doing the disinfecting while you've moved on to the next client. Also make sure you're taking care of yourself, drinking water, scheduling a lunchtime, going outside, taking your mask off, all those kinds of things. But most of all, hang in there, we'll get through it, and we're here for you. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
Thanks for that great information, Avery. Up next, we'll hear from Jamie for some shopping updates.
So Rocco, how do you use Andiamo in your salon?
We can accept walk-in clients looking for a color retouch. We can upsell a color service to clients who are booked just for cut and style.
Because it's so quick.
Yes, and with Andiamo, we can also offer a quick color service for men who don't want to spend so much time at the salon.
It's just 10 minutes.
Yes, and I love Andiamo, and for my salon, Andiamo is a game changer. Let's take a look at our beautiful model, Lisa.
Hi everyone, Jamie here. I wanted to make sure you know about all the shopping options that are available to you. You can shop online at your convenience. Call your salon consultant or customer care, or our store locations offer free curbside pickup. You can also place client retail orders to be picked up curbside or to be shipped at a reduced rate. Check out our photo album on Facebook with resources you can use to advertise client retail orders on your own social media. See you next week!